How to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance within some steps. So let's follow the video, but before following, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open the Bybit app. After opening the Bybit app, you will able to see this interface. So I want you to tap on the assets at the very bottom. At the second step, you can see assets at the very last option at the bottom. Just tap on assets. After that, here you just need to tap on withdraw. And here you need to select USDT as your crypto. Just type in USDT here. So you can see this USDT here. Just tap on USDT and wait for it to be loaded. After that, you will be landed in this withdrawal page from where you can withdraw. So here you need to enter the information they're asking right now, the address, network, amount. For that, you need to open the Binance app. After opening the Binance app, just go to deposit and there type USDT, where it will show you the address and network. So you just need to copy and paste it from the Binance app and paste it here. After that, you need to enter the amount of withdrawal. And so after entering the amount, you just need to tap on withdraw and go along with the payment methods. After that, just like that, you can transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.